Hello students, now let us see the problem based on the anic radii. So what they are saying is, student, which of the following radii has largest size? Okay, which of the following has the largest size? Students, just you keep in mind the radii of cation when you are talking about radii of cation. Okay, radii of cation, it's always decreases with always decreases with, okay, always decreases with increase in, increase in number of what, student? Always decreases with increase in number of cations, right, student? Okay, and always decreases with increase in number of cation. This point you keep in mind, student. So this is the first point, and second point is what? That is ionic radii of cation. Ionic radii of cation is always smaller than what, student? Is always smaller than, okay, atomic radii, is always smaller than atomic radii. This is what, student? This is second point. Now this can be calculated by what, student? Z by E value. Third point is, no, this can be calculated by, this can be calculated by, Z by E value. Okay, so student, that is the greater the Z by E value, fourth point. So that is greater the Z by E value, greater the Z by E value, greater the Z by E value, smaller the radii, okay, smaller the radii. Now there are four options they have given, student. So what is their first option? First option. So aluminum is there. So aluminum is 13 proton by 13 electron. It is coming 1. And then what is coming, student? If you talk about the second option is there aluminum plus. So aluminum plus means 13 by 12 electron. And third option, if you go, that is the aluminum 2 plus is there, aluminum 2 plus. So it is there 13 by 11. Okay, and aluminum fourth option is there Al3 plus. So Al3 plus means what, student? 13 by 10. So it is coming 1 by 1.3 is coming. So you check out, student, which one is the larger is coming. If you solve it out, student, if you put the value, if you try to keep this value, okay, let me do the calculation of this. So 13 by 12 is coming 1.08. Here is, it is coming 1.08. And 13 by 11, if you talk about 13 by 11, how much coming? 1.18. So which have the greatest value, student? Okay, so if you talk about the greatest value, Al3 plus is greatest value. Then it is Al2 plus is there. Then what is that is Al plus is there, and then aluminum. Okay, so that is what we can say, student, decreasing order of radii. You can say decreasing order of radii. Okay, decreasing order of radii. This is the decreasing order of value. Here is 1, here is 1.08, here is 1.18, and here is 1.3. So decreasing order of radii. So this is the smallest radii and aluminum is largest radii. So correct option is option number 1. You can, without calculation, you can do what they are saying, always decreases with increase in the number of cations. So here 3 cation is smallest, small, and this is the large. Thank you so much for watching, friends.